That E85, baby.
All right, so we are headed down to the tire shop right now to get some more grip thrown on the front. They are used tires. They're not brand new, but they still got a lot of life left. And pushing close to almost 400 torque in this car, off a stage 1 tune, by the way. Those stock Pirellis were definitely not doing the job anymore. Those shits were fighting for their life every time. Second gear, I had absolutely nothing. Hopefully we get some more grip with these. I'm pretty sure we will. Just expecting it to handle its power more, you know? Be able to put it down better. Head down to the tire shop, man, get these tires swapped over, and I'll let you guys know how they perform. $25.40. $35.40. Probably been on these new or relatively new tires for maybe 2 weeks on these tires, and there is a big difference. Those stock Pirellis could not hold their weight on this type of power, but these new tires kind of can, man. Yeah, we got some traction in second gear now. Then again, the tires have to be warm, but I don't feel like it takes them too long to get warmed up. Especially, it's warming out outside. It's 75 degrees right now. I think I mentioned earlier, I caught a little run with the C6 Corvette, a Stingray. This little car was right there, man. If I was on the stock Pirelli still, I would have spun out like crazy. I would have got dusted. But these help me stay in close with the Corvette, man. It was pretty sick. I was shocked to be like on his bumper the whole race. Pushing, we were pushing Mexico speed, man. I was I was in Mexico for sure. Definitely could put the power down now. But yeah, man, I'll get a little pull in for you right now. The tires aren't warm. I just washed the car, so they might even be a little wet, but I'll throw it in second gear because I did do a pull stock from second gear. All right, man, let's go. It held its own in second gear right there, let me tell you. I definitely felt the water on the tires a little bit. It's getting a little squirrely, but it's all good. Actually, man, let's see if we can get it's a little baby canyon right here. Off rip, I cannot be pushing this speed on these corners with those stock Pirellis at all. But these ones, man, it's holding its own. These are, it may not look like it on the GoPro, but these are pretty sharp corners. Let's see. little baby canyon. I didn't have to get out of second gear that whole time. Yeah, so as far as grip, man, we definitely got it now. Now this isn't even like, these aren't even new tires, you know? Like, these are used. And it's still putting it down pretty good. My boost kicks in at, it definitely went up a little bit, I think, because before I tuned it, I swear it was getting up like right at 3K. Like it was kicking full boost at 3K. But now it's like kicking in at like 3,500, like 35 to 3,600, I think. Yeah, like 3,500. So with the stage 1 full E, I don't know if it's just the gas, but the timing's a little different. So your boost kicks in a little after 3K now. Now I could be tripping, and it could just be where the boost kicked in stock. I don't know, but it definitely feels like it's slightly delayed. But once that shit kicks in, it's crazy. If I could pull up the graph, I'll put it in right now so you guys can see the like actual dyno numbers and the graph and shit. But near 400 torque from Mk8, that shit holds all the way till the turbo dies off. So got the fucking straggler back here. This fool just hopping in the lane. I don't say this enough in my videos, dude. Fucking 6 speed for the win. Hell yeah. Save the manuals, baby.